Now in the final subtask of the calculator project, we will simply be adding a loop. And if you notice in the previous subtask, we could only add once, subtract once, or get an output only once. But we want to make sure that the user can perform addition or subtraction any number of times they want to, rather than just doing it once. So that's why we're going to add a loop that is going to make sure that the program runs until the user wants to exit. That is, until the user gives the exit choice. Coming to the code, there is no change from the previous subtasks other than in the main function. Now in the main function over here, we will be initializing the scanner object over here, after which we will be including this entire part in while true loop. So the while true makes sure whatever code is present in the while loop happens infinitely. That is, it keeps running. So same as the previous subtask, we'll be first displaying the menu, then we're gonna print out the user to select which operation they want to perform, and then we're going to take user choice as an input over here, and then we're going to pass that on to calculator function, which will then give us a result based on the user choice given. So over here we have a if condition. If result equals exit the program, then we're going to break out of the loop. If you notice, result is given from the output of the calculator function method, and in the calculator function method we have defined the cases for when user choice is 1 and 2, but in the calculator menu we have displayed the user to give 3 as a choice if the user wants to exit out of the calculator. That's why, since we have defined 1 and 2, in else cases, that is in any other case, the result will be equal to exit the program, and if the result equals exit the program, then we're going to break out of the loop, and then we will be exiting the calculator. And over here we're closing the scanner to prevent a resource leak or to save up resources. Let's just run this code once. So let me give addition, and let me give the two numbers as 2 and 4. As you can see, the code is running once again. Let me give subtraction this time, and let me give 4 and 5. Now if I give 3, this program should exit. So you can see I've gotten exit the program. Let's just submit this code once. So we passed all 3 test cases successfully. This particular project calculator has been done. Now this particular project is part of our course Java Projects for Beginners, where we have 10 different Java projects from which beginners can get familiar with Java. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef, try this project out, or try any other course which might interest you. And if you're watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next project. Thank you.